attach yourself from the 4-6 to that cannabis factory, please, and keep Charlie 4-4 and Kilo Sarah 80 attached to this one once I just deal with the last bit to get here. Come on, good. Thank you very much.
Get out, man. Put your hands where you can see them. Come out slowly, put your hands where you can see them. Do it now. Do not make any sudden movements. Hands where I can see them. Do it now. Come out. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Turn around. Don't make a move.